I'm coming out with my own products to adhere bling, and I have 2 bling kits. Hi. So I'm so excited to talk to you guys about this. I'm just so excited. Okay, so ever since I'm coming out with a product that is going to help you adhere your bling flawlessly, and it's just gonna stay there for so long. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So ever since I got into, doing nails and nail art, I've always been drawn to just the extra as fuck nails. I love bling. I love I love my long ghetto hoochie nails. Click, click, clack, clack, clack. I love all of that. So putting bling on, keeping it on was super, it's always been like super important to me. It's always been, constantly trying to figure out the best ways and methods to do it. And I did it. I found out. I figured it out. Girl, I got you. So let's talk about it. So the first product is the Flawless Diamond No Wipe Top Coat. So excited. So like I said, it is Flawless Diamond. If you hear all the rappers talking about my diamonds is VVs, something blah blah, VVS diamonds are extremely clear and shiny and just blang blah blah blah. But Flawless diamonds are a step up. VVS is just fun to say. But Flawless diamonds are a step up. So I wanted my shit to be a step up from what everyone's talking about anyway. So it's called Flawless Diamond Top Coat, and it is a no wipe top coat. So that means once you cure it, you're not gonna have to go back in and go over it with any alcohol wipes or anything to get off a sticky layer. You're good. Once it's cured, it's good. It comes in a 15 milliliter bottle. So it lasts a pretty long time. A self-leveling. So a self-leveling is you're not gonna have to do a lot of extra work to get it to be nice and smooth and to, like I said, just nice and smooth, even application. So self-leveling. My top coat does play well with other brands because like I said, I've been testing it out. I'm not brand dedicated, so I use the top coat on all different types of brands and I haven't had any problems. So just the no wipe top coat is gonna go for 15 Zulas. Now, this is my favorite product. This is my favorite thing. And I wasn't going to launch yet because I wanted everything that I had envisioned for it. I wanted to have all the little pieces together, but I was just sitting here staring at these boxes of nail polish. Just sitting here staring at the inventory like, no, I'm gonna wait. And I was like, girl, don't you have a video? Like, you just posted a video saying just do it. And you don't have to wait for everything to be perfect. And you don't have to wait until you can afford, your name imprinted, hot pressed on your boxes and their boxes to be in golden. I don't have to wait for what I'm waiting for my products to be exactly what I want them to be. Because at the end of the day, my products are what I want them to be. I just wanted to add something else to the bundle to make it better. But why am I waiting? Just do it. So the Sticky Icky Bling Adhesive Gel. Oh my goodness. This is how you keep diamonds on, ladies. This is how you keep your crystals on, ladies. This is how you keep your micro beads on. This is how you keep your 3D work on. This is how you do it, okay? The Sticky Icky Bling Gel, okay? Let's get into it. So the Sticky Icky Bling Gel, I'm gonna insert some videos. It is a high viscosity gel. It's self-leveling as well. So high viscosity means it's pretty thick. It's not nail polish. It's not super runny. It is pretty thick, so you're gonna need a gel brush to apply it. And I'm going to do a super detailed video about how to use every single product that I am talking about. And I'm gonna be showing you a cute little bling look as well. But yeah, it's a high viscosity gel. It is self-leveling. It cures, no wipe. So once it's cured, you don't have to go in and wipe it off with alcohol. But the way you use it, I do recommend and suggest, I am telling you, to use both of these together. That is the key. You have to use both of them together. Ooh, ooh, just ooh. Oh yeah, and the Sticky Icky Bling gel comes in a 15 milliliter jar as well. So you're gonna get so many bling looks out of this one jar. And the gel by itself goes for $20. I do have some bundle offers on my website. So if you wanna buy 1 jar, 2 jar, 3 jars, I have different options and prices for those. And the same as the top coat. But like I said, the key to putting on diamonds, putting on charms, putting on micro beads, and keeping them on for a long time is both of them together. So I have this set on my website. You can get both of them for $30. And then and then I also have, if you want to buy more than one, you can, I think I have like either like you can buy 1 bundle, 2 bundle, or 3 bundles. And I have the prices for that, and you get a better deal. You know, if you want to buy 3, you're not going to be paying full price for all 3, but just go check out my website. And you cannot just have bling gel and no bling. Baby, I'm a one-stop shop. I got you. I got you, girl. So I have two bling kits that I feel like it's everything that you need. It's everything that you need to create endless looks. So the Bling Kit 1 comes with, so both of the bling kits are made with high quality glass rhinestones. They're made with high quality, high shine glass rhinestones. So they are cut so beautifully, and the shine is absolutely amazing. You're not gonna miss Swarovski. They're kicking us to the curb anyway. They only want to sell to big brands anyway. I don't. I'll sell to you. I got some. I ain't gonna say it's Swarovski, but it's the next best thing. Okay, so the Bling Kit number 1 comes with 21 different shapes, and you get 100 pieces in 100 pieces of each shape. So you're getting 2,100 pieces. So you're getting 2,100 pieces, and those are all high quality glass AB crystal rhinestones. And Bling Kit number 2 comes with the same high quality glass rhinestones, but these are your round flatbacks. They're all round flatbacks. You get 5 different colors and 6 different sizes. You get size SS4 to SS16, and then you get the 5 different colors, and then you can see the colors here. So both of the Bling kits, endless amounts of looks. Like, it's an entire line. It's a whole vibe. It's a whole mood. You need the whole kit. Okay, so let's talk dirty. Let's talk numbers, prices. So I said earlier that the Flawless Diamond Top Coat was going to be $15. The Sticky Icky Bling Adhesive Gel is $20. You can buy them both together for $30. And I'm also going to have options if you want to buy, 3 of those bundles. You get a deal for those on my website. So the Bling Kit number 1 with over 2,000 different pieces in it, that is going to be $180, but you can pre-order it for $150, I believe. I'm doing pre-orders. Yes, I'm going to be doing pre-orders for $150. And then Bling Kit number 2 is going to be $100, but you can pre-order it for $75. And then you can buy both of the Bling kits for $250. And then you can get the entire line for $275. So you get both Bling kits and the Sticky Icky Bling Gel and the Flawless Diamond Top Coat. So you get everything that I offer for $275. So saying it again, so the Flawless top coat is $15. The Sticky Icky Bling Gel will be $20. You can buy them both for $30. The Bling Kit number 1 is $180, but you can get it on a deal. You can get it pre-ordered for $150. And I also have Bling Kit number 2 is $100, pre-order for $75. You can get both Bling Kits for $250. You can get both Bling Kits for $250, and you can get the entire line for $275. So I'm gonna be doing some videos showing you guys in details about how to use these products, and also doing a couple bling looks with the bling kit. So I'm so excited, you guys. And you can use, do you guys need a discount code? Okay, so you can use code YouTube for 30% off. I know I said it in one of my other videos as well, but you can use code YouTube for 30% off your first order. Your first order now. Don't be coming on here trying to get 30% off every single time. Now, don't do that. Don't do me like that. You can't go to Walmart with the same coupon for 3 years and try and get 30% off your same stuff all the time. No, no, no. But go ahead and check out my website and use code YouTube for a discount. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.